Oh.
Hey, we are here at Grand Design and we are in one of their new models, and it is a Reflection 362 TBS. It's got some really cool features that I want to show you. Okay, so you walk right into your living area here, which is a good sized living area. Let's be honest here. I love this hutch. It's nice and big, and you have nice cabinetry here. I love having this here, but man, I love this huge station.
Yeah.
Lots of drawers.
Lots of space.
Yep. Yeah, that one goes all the way to the bottom. This one might be, yeah, I had a feeling that'd be your panels.
Yep.
So, all right,
I don't
cool.
know if this one is. Yeah. More controls.
All right.
It's like Wi-Fi.
So you have, this is locked, but it's a Furrion side by side. Let's see if I can find any other. I do like
Oh, I like that stovetop.
having the stovetop. Yeah, that's the Furrion. You have a good. It's not huge, but it is. You could cook a pretty good turkey in there.
Yeah, you could.
Yeah. Nice pantry. It's got supports underneath and it's got
There's a
motion lighting.
The light on the side, smart.
Absolutely. More drawers. See this nice space underneath here
Oh my
for
gosh,
storage.
yeah. Really?
Absolutely. More drawers.
This
for
drawer.
water bottle.
That's a huge. Oh,
Yeah, there you go. It's your
nice
pull out.
double pull-out trash. can.
Absolutely. Now there is a
Excellent.
hidden, on this side of the island, there's a hidden pet dish.
Oh, I like it.
Yes. So this is really cool. I like how they're starting to do more like that. You've got some more cabinetry here above your, some more storage there, above your fireplace, above your TV, and above.
Cool.
So here's the thing. You're going to lose a little room because of the features that are in this, and I'll show you what I'm talking about, but you do have a couple theater seatings and you do have the dinette.
Some
So-
nice windows too. For,
Yes.
your campsite.
Yeah, it's good campsite windows. So then we're going to go in here and see the first of the two things I'm talking about. So this literally has two bedrooms.
Oh wow.
So you've got the loft up here, and there's some great ceiling height in here, and you have a half bath.
Oh, I like that.
Right, that's behind your TV. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so that's nice. Barn door closed. You have plenty of storage in here. Plenty of storage. Hanging drawers. A nice spot here with a window. I like all the windows in here.
Yeah, it's really nice.
So
It seems very homey.
it does. So I'm gonna say the only thing I don't like about it, and I understand why they did it, is if you're sleeping on that side,
You're
you're
coming
crawling
off
off the end.
Yeah.
So kids, no big deal. Adults might have a little issue.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking this is more of an adultish bunk room kind of
Yeah,
thing.
right.
Because you have the loft up above.
Yeah. You got older kids maybe on the bottom
Yeah.
and young kids on top.
So let's go into the main bedroom and the main bathroom here.
Let's go.
Come on up. And you'll see what I didn't go in there yet. So here you have the main bedroom.
Yes.
All right, so you have a slide out that encompasses your hanging space
Okay.
as well as your, extra hanging space or linen. That's for your linen. You have drawers here. You've got storage up here. If you have taller stuff, that's nice, but I wouldn't be opposed to having another shelf in here so you can put baskets.
Sure.
Because you know how I am about baskets. I love baskets. So baskets would fit in there.
Yeah.
I like having the space above so that, you can put extra stuff up there that needs any kind of USB.
Mm-hmm.
Then you have the nightstands On the side, oh, they just have the plugs there, so that's why they have the USB up there. And then you have additional storage on either side. There's a little bit of storage in there. I'm gonna assume that we're gonna have some, yeah, there you go. That's a good amount of storage.
A lot of storage.
Because you can push underneath, so I like that. That's
Big.
cool. Mm-hmm.
All right, TV backer up there.
Right.
That's where your TV goes.
And then you have the two entrances into the bathroom, which is why I didn't bother at first. So you've got the...
Your little round shower.
Right. Got a nice storage here.
Yep.
More storage here. Good amount there. And another there
cabinet.
as well. So not bad.
Let's give it the Scotty test.
Okay. I have my doubts, not gonna lie. Oh,
Oh, it's not bad.
not bad.
Not bad, actually. Not too
I've got the
claustrophobic.
shoes on.
Oh, I like these. These
You like
slide
those?
nice.
They slide nice?
Slide
Okay.
real nice.
You can see,
Yeah,
alright.
that's doable.
And it doesn't have a skylight, but it's got a light in there, which is
Oh.
really cool. Except, yeah, you didn't like to hit your
The
head.
bar.
The bar here.
Yeah, you got a
But
duck.
yeah, so not bad.
Not bad, not bad.
So I would say I like the color schemes. They've lightened it up,
They definitely have.
and I do like that. I like the tall ceilings
Okay.
that you have in here.
I like the stovetop.
Right.
I like that. That's really nice. It's more industrial.
Yeah, so I'm going to say
Excellent.
that I have a feeling that this will actually be a pretty popular model for them.
Let's check out the outside.
All right, let's go.
Huge storage space. I mean, it's tall. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but it's very tall.
If I'm standing here.
Yeah. I like this little tray area. On ours, it catches everything, and it's nice to have that.
It is. We have that too.
Really good
Yeah.
catch-all.
And
How about this front?
yeah, it's pretty. It's got a double battery box. It's pretty big, pretty
Oh,
tall.
yeah. That's some solar. It's like a Furion's MPPT. A little small inverter. But it's
And a
vacuum.
Nautilus panel. Get out of your way.
Yep. Got the Nautilus panel. Furion heater.
Oh, look at the little lights underneath.
Oh, it's got little LEDs underneath the slides.
Yeah, cool.
That's cool.
I like that. At least under this one, anyway. We have 1, 2, 3
Between
slides on this
3,000.
side.
Nice wheels. And then your septic's back here. Pull for the septic's right there, black tank pull. And you know, storage for your hose.
Yeah, there's 3 slides on this side, and there's a scoop through here. Got a ladder. Oh, it's got storage in the back too.
It does.
Look at this. It's a
Oh,
good
yeah.
amount underneath the bed in there.
That's a really good amount of storage, yeah.
Yeah. So
Turn
you
the
have
light on
access
here so you
underneath
can
the bed in here.
All right.
Cool. And then you have you have an outside kitchen.
Oh, we have an outside kitchen.
Nice. So that
I like
really
that.
pulls
It's a
out.
grill.
Yeah, you got your
And
grill.
then you got your little refrigerator
fridge
right
and a
there.
space for other things to stay in here as well.
Wow,
There's
wait.
baskets of things in here.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, that's nice.
That's
I
very
wasn't
nice.
expecting that.
No.
I should just leave it open.
You got the awning on each side, on the slide here, and then an awning over here.
Yeah. So the total of 4 sliders. 3 on that side and 1 on this side.
Comes with a
I
screen
do
defender.
Like this design. I think it's going to be popular for them.
Yeah, you like that, huh?
I do. I do like the design. I don't know any of the other specs. I don't know if we have it here. Yes. But let's see. The 362 TBS, so 12, almost 12.5, then almost 15. The length is 39.11, so just about 40 feet, which is
Gross
about what I
vehicle
thought.
weight ratio is 14.995.
Yeah, almost 15.
And it weighs 12,000. So what's that at? 23.75.
25.
Yeah. Sure. Oh,
It's
that's
about
that's the hitch
2,500.
weight.
It's about 2,500.
About 2,500.
Yeah. So, all right. So you got 74 freshwater, 79 gray, and 79 waste.
All right.
Decent. Okay.
Not too bad.
No. Nope.
Okay.
That's just one of the new ones. We're gonna look at a few more.
All right. All right, so if you like the video you saw today,
It's a thumbs up.
give us a thumbs up, yes, and please subscribe to the channel. So we do videos like lifestyle videos and repair videos and review videos we're going to be doing, and for products and different things like that. So,
And actually, for that,
we have
a new website.
a new website called romersrvgear.com. Please check out that website. You can go on there. I do articles. Sometimes I'll have a video in there too that we did in the article. And there'll be clickable links that you can actually buy the products from the people that
that we bought from.
It actually helps us out. It doesn't cost you any more money. Matter of fact, you save money sometimes by clicking on those links. And yeah, that would be really great if you could check that out for us.
And the last thing is, click the bell to get notifications. So when we have more videos that come out, you'll get notified.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road.
You're funny.
Good.
Call it a day and celebrate.